In the early hours of April 15, 1912, the world witnessed one of the greatest maritime tragedies in history, the sinking of the RMS Titanic. Known as the unsinkable ship, this marvel of modern engineering set sail from Southampton on its maiden voyage to New York City. On board were more than 2,200 passengers and crew, ranging from wealthy aristocrats to humble emigrants, all united by the hope of a new future across the Atlantic. But fate had other plans. Narrator. On the night of April 14, 1912, the Titanic struck an iceberg in the North Atlantic. The ship, thought to be invincible, was mortally wounded. Narrator. In hours, the once proud liner had broken in two and disappeared beneath the icy waters, taking over 1,500 souls with her, leaving a haunting legacy that echoes through history. Ocean waves become calm again, fading to a black screen with the Titanic memorial narrator. Though over a century has passed, the story of the Titanic continues to captivate the world, a powerful reminder of human ambition, vulnerability, and the forces of nature.